Hey guys, Mr. Topher here, and I just wanted to show you my new wallpaper. Yep, my new wallpaper. Isn't that cool? And I'll put the link in the description. Here it is. I'll put the link in the description. I'm just gonna tell you how to get a wallpaper. Right, so whatever wallpaper you want. Let's go to images. Why is my mouse glitching out? You want to go to whatever you want, like let's say, let's just do, get save image as desktop. Click save. You want to go. Should be here, and you want to right click and set a desktop background, and here you go. Here you go, guys. That's how you do it. Pretty simple. It's really, really simple. And that's really it. Oh, let me just set it back. Let me just set this back. Alright. So, pretty cool, right? And if I want, I can you can set any image as your background, like sky, Minecraft. Got his Minecraft. Like let's say this, save image, desktop, and you want to add that. Yeah, but this is a really crappy one. See, really simple. Right? Yeah, right. So, see online, I don't know. Yeah, never mind. Cynical. This is my desktop. Anyway, so I will put the new adventure map that I made in the description. And maybe I will. Hold on. Cause watch this. Stalker face. Watch this. Oh god, that's creepy as hell. No. No, please delete that. So guys, I'm gonna end the video here, so peace.